Yoga. I'm from Rahini Art Expressions. It's a new venture that I have entered into. It is related to handicraft industry, handicraft of home decoration as well as office decoration items. And my main thrust is into small items for gifts, as in gifts for corporates, gifts for marriages, gifts for personal use, as well as other things, and decoration of walls, especially wall decorations. I have a lot of variety in wall decorations, as in wall panels. Secondly, my main interest is working in paper mache, which is a very experimental mode, and it is a very expressive mode because paper mache is a material that can be molded into any shape and any form. So I take pleasure in designing paper mache items. Secondly, I also enjoy doing metal things because metal is also like it gives a very uniqueness to the product. A mix and match of metal and wood is my thrust. Metal also, I mainly go for metal embossing, and that is brass. I use brass sheets, and the embossing is done by hand. The USP of my products is that everything is handmade with the minimal use of machines and tools. It's like the artisans, they're very small artists in villages, and they get a good opportunity to make things for me and also earn.
So how does it work? You do the designing at home?
I do the designing at home. I do the designing in factories. I sit with them. I have a setup in Rajasthan.
Okay.
I sit with them. I explain to them what exactly I want, how it will be a utility item, how it would be only a decoration item, and things like that, and exactly what I need from them. And one or two products I make and show them so that they get a feel that this is how they have to go about it now.
Okay.
And then after that they make the things.
And can you show off your paper mache product?
Okay, yes, paper mache, you can see that this little Jharokha mirror is a beautiful piece in paper mache as well as painting. It is wood based, and all this part is a paper mache work. This is paper mache.
Okay.
And this box, you can see the beautiful box. Okay. All this is paper mache work. A combination of wood and brass, this would be the perfect example.
Okay.
This is wood and this is brass. The embossing that I was talking about is this. This is all hand embossing. Wood and metal based combination. It's a paper tray.
So how many people do you employ currently?
See, it depends on how much I need to produce.
On an average?
On an average, there are about 20 to 25 people.
How long have you been doing it?
I've just started very new. I have been in this field for about 5 months.
And how have the experience been of coming to IIA Expo?
Well, I would say it's been a good experience, although I've been a recent member. I've joined very recently. But I would say that IIA is very, very cooperative. They, in fact, want me to grow and promote me. So I have been getting very good, responses over here after coming here, which I had not expected. A lot of people are appreciating my products. People are, I think I can grow here with IIA. And IIA people are also very, very cooperative.